top 3 specialist hospitals in Quezon City. Here they are. Number 1 is the Philippine Heart Center located in East Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. Is the leading institute for cardiovascular care. Services includes diagnosis, treatment, and rehabilitation for the heart. Second is the Lung Center of the Philippines, located in Quezon Avenue, also in Diliman. It specializes in pulmonary care such as tuberculosis and asthma and others. And last but definitely not the least is National Kidney and Transplant Institute located in East Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. Is the leading center for kidney care. Services includes dialysis and transplantation for the kidney. I hope this educates you some of the best hospitals in Quezon City. Comment down below if you know other specialist hospitals or centers in Quezon City.